Hi, in front of me is NOKIA 5.4 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply LED keyboard on this device. Start by opening Play Store, then type LED keyboard and download this app from this developer. Now open it, click Get Started and tap OK. Then click on the switcher next to LED keyboard. Choose OK again and tap on Input Options. Over here you need to select LED keyboard one more time by clicking on it. Then pick one of the options and click Agree. After that you can pick theme that you like the best. I will go with that one, so I have to click on it, close and add. And click Download Theme. So now when I go back, I can see that my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!